Tech layoffs. Will AI steal your job? Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers and build custom software solutions. I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. So there's a fear that AI will replace jobs, particularly in the tech industry, and it has been growing. As AI continues to evolve, many worry that it will render human jobs obsolete. So I've been hearing about this fear for, over 25 years. Actually, I remember when we first got our home PC in the late 80s, and then with the release of Windows in the 90s, I remember hearing Bill Gates say all the things computers were going to do to replace humans. Now, have they? Well, in some cases, yes, but a lot of cases, no. My point is, this isn't a new argument. This concern is especially prevalent in software development field where automation and AI advancements are rapidly accelerating. However, it's crucial to understand the complexity of software development tasks. A senior DevOps engineer pointed out on Reddit that the intricacies of integrating systems, testing environments, and writing pipelines are beyond the current capabilities of AI. The human element in software development remains irreplaceable for now. So the buzz around AI taking over jobs really has reached a fever pitch, especially in the tech industry. Many professionals worry that advancements in AI will render their jobs obsolete. But let's dive into why these fears might be a bit overblown. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman reassures us, saying that AI will actually help coders becoming 30x programmers by automating repetitive tasks and enhancing productivity. So this means more time for developers to focus on creative and complex problem solving. So even if you're skeptical of AI, it's clear that it's designed to be more of an assistant than a replacement. Because being a software developer involves much more than just writing code. It requires deep problem-solving skills, creativity, and understanding of complex systems. If AI were to replace developers, it would mean that countless other jobs would have been automated along the way. So I think we'll see the signs of this earlier on. This is simply not the case that's going to happen. No-code systems haven't replaced developers, and AI is still far from achieving that level of autonomy. So the intricate nature of software development provides a safety net against complete AI takeover. So AI is a tool, not a replacement. AI's role in software development is more about augmentation than replacement. According to Scarlet Inc., AI can handle specific tasks, lacks the holistic understanding required for full-scale software projects. The integration of AI in development process helps in debugging, code optimization, and testing. This allows developers to focus on innovative aspects of projects. The symbiotic relationship between AI and developers leads to enhanced productivity and better software solutions. Also, make sure you go back and check out our previous video, because we provide hundreds of free coding samples and hundreds of free coding videos that can help to level up your skills. Now, one of the key areas where AI falls short is system integration. A senior DevOps engineer on Reddit points out that while AI can write code, it struggles with integrating systems and managing end-to-end solutions. This process involves multiple layers of coding, testing, and deployment that requires human oversight and expertise. The nuanced understandings and flexibility needed in these tasks are beyond AI's current capabilities. Thus, developers remain indispensable in ensuring seamless system integration and functionality. AI may assist, but it can't replace the human touch in this domain. Now, the human element in software development is irreplaceable. Developers bring creativity, intuition, and the experience to the table, and that's qualities that AI cannot replace. As Sam Altman mentioned, AI can augment human capabilities, but lacks the ability to innovate on its own. This partnership between humans and AI leads to a superior outcome. Developers can leverage AI to enhance their work, but the core innovation still comes from a human mind. The future of development lies in this collaboration, not in AI taking over. A senior DevOps engineer on Reddit highlights the limitations of AI in replacing human roles. They described a scenario where they were integrating various systems, writing code, and testing across different environments. The engineer argued that if AI could replace such complex and integrated roles, it would mean a massive shift in the job market. By the time AI can perform these tasks better and faster than humans, most other jobs would likely be automated as well. This insight underscores the current limitation of AI and security tech jobs for the foreseeable future. Now, despite the rise of AI, the tech job market remains resilient. The need for skilled developers continues to grow as new technologies emerge and existing systems require maintenance and upgrades. The introduction of AI tools creates more jobs than it eliminates by generating new opportunities for specialization. The demand for AI experts, machine learning engineers, and the data scientists is on the rise. This trend indicates that AI is creating a more diverse and robust job market. So also make sure you check out our videos, because we have hundreds of free coded samples. So the role of a developer is evolving rather than disappearing. As AI takes over mundane tasks, developers can focus on higher level functions like strategic planning, architectural design, and complex problem solving. This shift requires continuous learning and adaptation to stay ahead of technological advancements. The evolving landscape offers exciting opportunities for those willing to upskill and embrace new tools. Developers who adapt will find themselves at the forefront of technological innovation. The future holds promise for those ready to evolve with the industry. Now, the integration of AI in development is expected to lead to a surge in the tech market growth in 2025. The advancement in AI and machine learning will create new industries and new job roles that can't even imagine today. In the fall of 2024, it's anticipated that we see the beginning of this upward trend with a strong recovery in the tech job market in 2025. This period will see increased investments in AI-driven projects and startups, fueling job creation. The key to thriving in this market is staying informed and continuously adapting to these new technologies as companies work to integrate AI. So AI's impact is not uniform across all fields. While it may automate some tasks, it also opens up opportunities in specialized areas like AI ethics, cybersecurity, and advanced machine learning. These fields require expertise and deep understanding for both AI and human factors. The growth in these specialized areas will drive demand for highly skilled professionals. The tech job market will diversify and expand, offering new career paths for developers. So the future of software development is collaborative, with humans and AI working together to achieve greater heights. The synergy between AI and developers will lead to innovative solutions and more efficient workflows. As the job market evolves, the importance of human creativity and strategic thinking will remain paramount. The tech industry will continue to grow, driven by this collaborative effort. The job market will thrive as new technologies and opportunities emerge, paving the way for a bright future of tech. So what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love having a good, healthy conversation, so make sure to like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our coding bootcamp and to build custom software solutions. So make sure that you reach out because we'd love to help. Hit us up in the links down below or hit startuphack.com today.